Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome to a new video. Today we are navigating the cutting edge of social finance and the blockchain technology. We are diving into the Web3 and social platform killer today with Dechat. I'm going to introduce Dechat, its token, how you can earn from it, and also the price chart as an investment opportunity right now. First, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button to never miss any video again. And also disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for educational purposes only. Let's explore how Dechat is pioneering the social finance environment with its groundbreaking inscription technology and why it might just be your next 100x opportunity for the next bull run. I'm super excited, so let's get started. First of all, let's explore Dechat. Dechat isn't just another chat app. It's a beacon in social finance integration, pioneering with Dechat, the largest SocialFi inscription on the BNB chain. With already 58,000 wallet holders, it's already clear that we have the next 100x opportunity just in front of our faces. Imagine the ease of WhatsApp with the power of blockchain. With Dechat, you can enjoy seamless communication, discover and transact digital assets, and engage in rich media conversations. But there's more. Decentralized IDs, privacy, preservation, and a multi-platform support system that keeps you connected anywhere and anytime. If you are intrigued by the future of socializing and finance, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and never miss any opportunity like this again. The recent updates of Dechat are an AI marketplace on Solana. They have a partnership with Plena Finance and they are also live on Linear. If you want to know more about their recent project, just follow them on Twitter. You can find the link down in the description below. So, if you want to know more about Dechat, of course, check out their website and download the app. You just click here, you can scan, you can download the app. In the app, you have the possibility to earn Dechat. You have the possibility here of staking, and you also have the possibility of data mining. There might come things like chat to earn or completing tasks on their platform to earn more Dechat. So be sure to be part of this. In the early days, you can buy Dechat on so many different exchanges like Bybit, KuCoin, Max, Gate.io, PancakeSwap, or Huobi. It's very easy to buy, and of course, we are also going to check out their recent price chart to make sure that you get the best entry price right here. Okay, let's check out their chart. As you can see here, we had a huge bullish candle on 11th of March. This candle closed bullish and we left a long wick here to the upside. So the last high was around $8.80 and we have the possibility to come back up here or even more. Why? Because if we leave a wick like this and we close bullish, this is a very, very good indication that there's so much liquidity left behind and we have the possibility to fill in at least this entire wick. So make sure that you are early on board because right now we have a very flat price development. That means it's just preparing, probably accumulating orders for the bull run. But that is not all. Behind Dechat's innovative platform stands a team of visionaries from top tech giants, backed up by heavyweights like Paradigm and supported by venture advisors, including a prince from the United Arab Emirates Qasimi royal family. So this shit is really heavy and I can highly encourage you to check out their price chart, check out their website, and we are also taking a brief look on their socials so that you can follow them and you will never miss any important step in their project from now on. So we are here on their Twitter profile. Make sure you check out Dechat_IO and you hit the follow to be always informed. They have already 500,000 of followers following their latest updates and making probably a lot of money the next bull run. Make sure you put it at least on your watch list and you have it in mind because Dechat has so much potential to blow up right now. If you are ready to dive deeper into Dechat and maybe even make your next smart investment, check out the links in the description below to make sure you follow them on the socials and to join the Dechat network. Don't forget to like and share the video with everybody you think it could be a good investment opportunity for. Let me know in the comments if you have any more questions on Dechat, and have an amazing day.